Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Consumer surplus shows up fast here. Compare Kareem's willingness to pay with the market price, and you can lock the correct choice in seconds. Start with Kareem's willingness to pay, because consumer surplus uses the buyer's value first, and the problem gives that directly as $25, so that number is our top amount. Next, subtract the actual market price from that willingness to pay, because surplus is the extra benefit Kareem gets by paying less than his maximum, and the market price is $10. So the consumer surplus is 25 minus 10, which equals $15, and that matches the statement in option B exactly. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Don't rush signs or wording. Trust the given numbers and check each step before choosing.